Hey everyone, today let's discuss energy conservation and pacing to reduce post-exertional fatigue. A practical strategy for those recovering from long COVID. Post-exertional fatigue, or PEM, can occur after physical, mental, or sensory activities such as housework or driving, reading or writing, engaging in social outings, spending time in environments with loud noises or bright visuals. Energy conservation techniques have shown improvements in conditions like multiple sclerosis and ME/CFS. Understanding METs, metabolic equivalents, can help you pace yourself better. One MET is the energy we burn at rest. Sitting around activities usually have MET values of 1.5 or less, like watching TV or typing. Light activities range from 1.6 to 3. This includes things like standing still, walking slowly, doing some light cleaning, and playing active video games. Medium activities range from 3 to 6 METs. This includes brisk walking, dancing, mowing the lawn, and moving furniture. And then there are the intense exercises that range from 6 to 12 METs. Think hiking, weightlifting, or even martial arts. Pacing your activities based on METs can make a huge difference in managing fatigue. For a detailed pacing guide, check out the resources section at compendiRX.com.